Hi guys, what's going on? Welcome back. So today we're going to be talking about Motts for Tots apple juice. It's toddler's first juice since 1842. If you guys would like some more information on Motts for Tots apple juice, please be sure to check my video description for that. So just a little backstory, I actually had no idea that they made Motts for Tots. Motts apple juice has been around forever. I think I even drank this growing up, and it's definitely like a really good trusted brand made with 100% juice. So I really like it. And then my friend was telling me that, you know, her son is about my son's age. They're both around 20 months. And a while ago when he turned a year old, she's like, what kind of juice are you giving him? And I was like, oh, I didn't want to give him like certain juices just because it's so much sugar. And she was like, you should really try Motts for Tots because it has a lot of the flavor, but just less sugar. So I never actually started giving my son just like a regular apple juice because it's so sweet. I got him used to the Motts for Tots, which was, you know, less sugar and less sweet. So the Motts for Tots apple is made with 40% less sugar than 100% apple juice with added vitamins A, C, and E. It's a real fruit juice and purified water, so they add purified water to it. It has 60 calories per 8-ounce serving, and it is a 64-ounce or 2-quart container, plastic, recyclable. If you turn to the side, it tells you our juice is specially made for toddlers. We start with 100% juice, add purified water to reduce the sugar, and then they add essential vitamins A, C, and E. It's made with 100% DV vitamin C for children 1 to 3, and it has no artificial flavors, colors, or sweeteners. So this is actually the cup I give my son. I mean, I'm sure you guys use sippy cups, whatever. I give him like the Mickey cup because he just does better with the straw. And then you don't have to water this down, obviously, because it doesn't have a lot of sugar. But I do mix a little bit of water and the apple juice in the cup. And this way he's getting at least like a little bit more water because, you know, that's not always toddlers' favorite. And they don't always love water. So that's the way I do it. So it tells you here it has 8 servings per container. Children 1 to 3 has 16 servings per container. So if your child is 1 to 3, they're going to get less of a serving than if they're over 3. And I like this myself, by the way, too. It says it contains 54% juice and it is gluten-free. Serving size is 8 ounces. And children 1 to 3, a serving is 4 ounces, which would be half of that. So serving size 8 ounces or 240 milliliters, or the 4 ounces, which is 120 milliliters. And then it has the calories listed here for the 8 and 4 ounce serving. Calories are 60 for the 8 ounce serving and 30 for children 1 to 3, which is a 4 ounce serving. 0 grams of fat. Total carbs for the 8 ounce it would be 16 and 8, so of course half. For the 4 ounces, total sugar is 15 grams or 7 grams. Then we have the vitamins. So we have 35% vitamin C or 100% vitamin C. And then we have 90 mcgs of vitamin A and 30 mcgs of vitamin A for the 4 ounce serving. And then we have the ingredients listed. So water, apple juice, and then I guess the other ingredients are just for freshness. So I really like that this has vitamin added C, especially now that it's like flu season, a lot of people getting sick. It's still COVID. So you really just want to be so careful, of course. And getting a little bit of vitamin C, I believe, definitely helps to keep your immune system up, to keep your kids' immune system up. So if you don't want them having a lot of sugar, because we know the sugar is not great for them, plus it'll have them bouncing off the walls, I definitely suggest the Motts for Tots apple. And a little bit goes a long way per container, especially if you're going to be mixing it with the water. So you'll get even more out of it that way. So it might last you like a couple weeks depending on how often you give juice to your child. My son doesn't love water, so I do like to mix it, the apple juice, for a little bit more flavor. And like I said, I really like this myself because I don't like anything like super sweet. So I like that this has less sugar. So guys, this was my video for Motts for Tots apple juice. I hope that you guys found the video useful. If you did, please feel free to leave a comment and let me know. Thanks everyone and have a great day.